In this video, I'm going to reveal the software our agency uses to run YouTube ads. And this is for all parts of the YouTube ads process, from spying on your competitors to actually creating keyword and placement lists to even video editing. So let's get right into this video. So before we get into it, I would love it if you could hit the like button and subscribe button, because it really helps with the algorithm. And that's why I do these videos, so the YouTube algorithm provides some love. All right, so guys, let's get into it. The first place we want to start at is competitor research and spying on your competitors' ads, right? Or even getting inspirational ideas for ads by looking at what's working and what's not working. So I want to show you a couple of our favorite tools for spying on other ads and finding really cool ads, as well as saving ads. So the first tool we use is Vidtal.com. It's an amazing tool for spying on video ads. The best part is that Vidtal is completely free. So when you sign into Vidtal, you basically see this dashboard right here, and essentially you can search for ads on here. You can even save ads. They have a Chrome extension, which is called SwipeTube. It's right here, I think. Yeah, so whenever you're on YouTube, you see an ad, you can actually use this extension to add that ad to your swipes. So that's a really useful tool. I think this is the secondary account we have. But yeah, Vidtal is an amazing tool. So you could look up any advertiser and see what they're selling with YouTube ads. And you'll see their kind of upload date, view count, the number of views in the last 30 days, and so on. So the only two downsides of Vidtal are, number one, it doesn't get all the ads. It's not the best at grabbing all the ads out there. It'll get 60% of them. And number two is, when you do get the ads in there, you'll get the ad URL, and you may be able to find the website URL through the ad URL, but a lot of times you won't get it. So that's one downside. And that's why we use this paid tool called Video Ad Vault, which we've been really loving. It's a paid tool. I believe it's $97 a month. It's from TubeSift, and TubeSift is the tool that we use for keyword and placement research, so it ends up working quite well. So this is Video Ad Vault. And the cool thing about Video Ad Vault is when you get the ads in there, you actually get basically the landing page, right? And that's really powerful, because grabbing the landing page actually gives you a lot more information. You get to see what's working with these different funnels and so on. So it does provide more information. I also find that when I look for ads on Video Ad Vault, I see a lot more of them. So for example, if I put in my ad in here, so it does take a little bit of time to search. You have to mess around with the searches to make sure it hits the right keywords. But you can see here, it's hitting pretty much all of my ads in here. These are a lot of ads that we tried. As you can see, we do a lot of experimentation with YouTube ads. And if we go onto Vidtal, let's see how many we pull up. So you can see we pull up a fair amount. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But we look in here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know. It's like 30. So you're literally getting 3 times more. And we find Video Ad Vault is way better at finding ads that have less views. So as you can tell, some of these ads we tested and they didn't really get good results. And some of these ads got much better results, so we ended up running them more. So they're able to actually find a lot of the ads. So that's really cool. So let's talk about the next tool, which is finding placement results, as well as doing keyword research. So for doing keyword research, you can use a lot of different tools for finding that. So one tool we can use is Keywords Anywhere. So this is a Chrome extension and allows you to come up with a lot of different keywords that you can use for your ad campaigns. But in terms of finding placements, we like TubeSift. So you can enter in a keyword. So let's say you want videos about YouTube advertising. You click on that, and it will essentially only find monetized videos, which is really, really great for finding placement lists. Another cool thing about TubeSift is you can search by channel. So you could literally put in one of your competitors' channels and grab all their videos, or grab some of the most popular videos to advertise on. By relationship to video as well is a great tool. So TubeSift in general is really great for placements, and we use it quite often. So another cool feature of TubeSift is the keyword idea section. You can use this to come up with keyword ideas for your keyword campaigns. And as you can see, this will pull up some of the most popular keywords. Again, with keywords, there's so many tools. There's Google Keyword Tool, there's Keywords Anywhere. So keywords are generally quite easy to figure out for your keyword campaigns, but with TubeSift, the biggest value is the placement list. So that's another great tool that we use. Now, a couple of other tools that we also use is for video editing. We use Premiere a lot. So our video editing team often use Adobe Premiere Pro. Again, that's something I'm not really that experienced with, but I do know that they love using it as compared to other software tools. And then for ad management, we use Google Ads Editor. So Google Ads Editor is incredibly useful. Let me just pull it up. So this is Google Ads Editor. And what it allows you to do is make changes in your campaigns in bulk very quickly. You can duplicate campaigns, you can change them. You can even keep running ads in the old in-stream format and exclude the display network, which you still cannot do on the Google Ads website interface. So this is a really, really powerful tool. We love using Google Ads Editor. In fact, I have multiple tutorials on it on my YouTube channel, and I have an in-depth training inside my YouTube Ads training program if you're interested in learning about that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the like button. And if you are interested in taking your YouTube Ads knowledge and skill levels to the next level, then go check out my YouTube Ads training program. It's meant for entrepreneurs and high-level agency owners who want to scale their YouTube ads. We have students doing $50,000 a day or multiple 7 figures. So go check that out.